Hi, I'm Elroy Spoonface Powell, and I address anxiety and limiting beliefs for busy business owners overwhelmed and shouldering the stress alone. Ignite your daily routine through my approach to mindfulness and create affirmations, awareness, acceptance, action, reset, reframe, and gain a sense of calm that offers clarity and confidence about what feels right for you. So, if you're struggling with imposter syndrome, self doubt, a fear of being found out, not feeling good enough, dealing with rejection, and need for external validation, this course will create the shift you're looking for. I have a ton of testimonials, but there are limited spaces. So, to ensure there is solid alignment, let's jump on a call. You speak directly to me and not one of my assistants, and what you experience will make it very clear to both of us what steps to take next. I developed this approach after facing my own challenges. As a child, I witnessed a lot of domestic violence and often felt unseen, unheard, and unimportant. When I hit challenges as an adult, those feelings would return. So it was only through reframing I was able to overcome those emotional associations and thrive. I only share what science and my own experiences support. And as an award winning voice actor and mindfulness consultant, I find balance in my own life through using this approach. These mindfulness techniques have also been making a solid difference to the lives of my clients. So I have to ask two simple questions. Have you had enough of feeling the way you feel about things? And are you ready to do something about it? That's it. If your answer is yes to any of those two, then click the link, access my personal calendar, and arrange a time to experience my approach for yourself. You will then be added to the waiting list once we've had our call. So, what is mindfulness and what is an affirmation? Mindfulness is simply about self awareness and accepting what you think and feel in the moment. You don't need to spend hours or be a monk or nun to do it. Practicing just a little each day can make a profound difference to your stress levels and the potential impact on your life. An affirmation can be defined as a brief phrase repeated to plant positive notions into one's psyche. Self affirmation theory was made popular by Professor Claude Steele in the late 1980s. The unique prediction that the theory makes is that people have a strong desire to maintain a positive self image. Therefore, when people experience a specific self threat, they can overcome the unpleasant feelings associated with the threat by affirming an equally important aspect of themselves. A 2015 study led by Professor Christopher Cascio and Professor Emily Falk used functional magnetic resonance imaging to find that self-affirmation activates well-known reward centers in the brain. Studies have also shown that we have roughly 50,000 subconscious thoughts a day, and around 80% are negative. Repeating affirmations can enhance self-awareness, squeeze out the negative thought loops, and release the hormones that make you feel better about things. It's important to note that affirmations do not work as well if you've not healed from the trauma of your past. This is why my approach is so successful. I fuse reframing with creating affirmations aligned with your unique situation. Learn how to release yourself from emotional obstacles and visualize the other side of the pain. Click the link below and reserve your space today.